Black pretty privilege is so stupid. Like, first of all, everyone has different types. Not to mention, why are you judging a book by its cover? But it's also like, why would you treat someone differently because you don't think they are pretty? Like, no, Bethany, I wouldn't tell them to jump because I wouldn't date them.
Solar out, solar out, solar